That's a nice adjustment. I like that. Well done. You dealt with that pretty fine. When it's safe, move back into the lane on the left. That was nice. That was all right. Got up in gears. Use gear 5 as well. Now the lights have been on green for a long time. So what colour car have we got behind us?
Black.
That's why we need to know. That's the type of braking you should be doing at all times. That was nice, well done.
Okay.
And if you see, look at the car behind you, the learner car, he has the same distance that I teach you. And that's a good distance. It's correct. It's one car space between both of us. It was.
So you're going straight ahead?
Yes, we are. We're following the signs for the airport. So if you cannot see a sign, look at the floor markings, interpret what you need to follow the road ahead. Can you see your problem? If it's safe, continue. That's fine. Now drive at whatever speed you want. So as long as it's safe, legal and reasonable, travel at that speed. What's the maximum speed limit at the moment?
40.
Brilliant. What speed are we doing so we're in agreement? 37, yeah? That's good. That's fine. Do we need to go up in gears? The higher the gear, the lower the rev, the more fuel efficient you are. That's it. There we are. And that's something that's actively encouraged. So we go up in gears when we can, so we're travelling at an appropriate speed. And now when you give gas, the car should respond to you. If it doesn't, we'd have to go into a lower gear, which would be the gear below. Speed limit is?
40.
Yeah. You haven't done many 5 to 4s, have you? I've noticed. You're nervous. Keep gas and go. By letting the gear lever go back into neutral in its default position would immediately bring you above gear 4. Okay? And now we're going to continue following the road ahead, and we're going to do exactly the same as what we did previously about merging. So we're going to use this lane as much as we can, but we're not going to force our car in. You'll make sure it's safe and you'll do it on your own. Nice, well done. So we're using both lanes. It doesn't matter which one you're in, and we're doing that because they're telling us to use both lanes. And that's how you get home an hour early than your friends.